Good morning, everybody.
Morning, sir.
So, our third unit test is over. Yes. Now we have to be prepared for third term. Three chapters left. Yes or no? How many days are left for third term? Third term begins from 16th of August, right? So, calendar is not here, right? 16th of August, and it may go up to 23rd or 24th. And at that time, questions will be asked from top to bottom. Full-fledged syllabus. 19 chapters are there? Yes or no? Out of 19, 16 chapters already completed. So today we are starting new topic. What is that? Metals and non-metals. Metals and non-metals. What are these? What are these? These are pure substances, purest form of matter, which are made up of only one type of atoms. For example, gold. Gold is metal or not? So gold is made up of gold metals, gold atoms. Iron. Iron is made up of iron atoms, right? Silver. Silver is made up of silver atoms. Hydrogen. Hydrogen atoms. Oxygen. Oxygen atoms. Carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide is not neither metal nor non-metal. Why? It is a compound. So compound cannot be categorized into metals or non-metals. Understood or not? So how many metals and non-metals are there together? We have learned 118 elements are present, right? Out of 118, near about 96 are metals. How many? 96. Near about. And near about 18, they are non-metals, and 4-5 are metalloids. So metals, non-metals, and metalloids. In this chapter, we have to complete these things. Means we have to be able to do these things. What should we be able to do? So here is objectives. Number one is explain the concept of metals and non-metals. What is metal? What is non-metal? And next important thing is properties of metals or characteristics of metals and non-metals. Characteristics of metals: good conductor, malleable. I've got here silver ring. They took some silver, heat it, changed into flat portions, and made. Yes or no? And some of them they may be having the chain, ductile, so wire also can be made. Yes or no? So ductility, malleability, conductivity, these are some characteristics of metals. And non-metals characteristics also we'll be discussing in the same way. Next one is mention the importance and sources of the minerals required for human body. Our body needs different type of minerals. Can you name some minerals which are needed for our body?
Iron.
Iron, yes. You know, pregnant lady. For pregnant lady, iron is supplied. Extra iron. We eat food. That food also contains different type of metals, minerals. Iron, there is presence of sodium, there is presence of what that? Magnesium. Next one, potassium. Next one, zinc. During the time of this COVID-19, people were provided with zinc tablets. Understood or not? I went to Cheku hospital and they were also providing zinc tablets. And outside of that Czech hospital, there were some pharmacies. In that pharmacies, I got one medicine. It's brand, actually medicine name. I don't know what was inside there, but Immunin. What was written the name? Immunin. Immunin. In this brand, there was one tablet. That tablet also contained zinc, calcium, sodium. You take vitamins, or you may take these fruits, vegetables. They all contain metals. Okay. And next thing is harmful effects of lead and mercury to human body. Lead, its symbol is Pb. What is the symbol? Pb. Mercury, Ag. So all metals are not useful for us. Some are useful, some are harmful. So what are the useful metals? What are harmful metals? We are going to discuss in this chapter. Right? Okay. Elements can be categorized into three different sections. What are they? Do you know? What are the three sections? One is, what is first? Metals. Second one is non-metals. Third one is metalloids. Can you give example of metals? Gold, silver. Gold, silver, metals. Non-metals? Hydrogen, carbon. Yes. Hydrogen, carbon, non-metals. Right? Metalloids? Aluminium? Aluminium is a metal. Metalloids, silicon, antimony, bismuth, etc. These elements possess the characteristics of some characteristics of gold, some characteristics of some characteristics of metals and some characteristics of non-metals. Not gold, because metals we have to say. And next thing, next heading is there to discuss. One is alloy. We have to discuss about alloy also. What is alloy? Mixture of metal and metal, or mixture of metal and non-metal. That is called alloy. In your house, are there some utensils made up of stainless steel? Stainless steel. Stainless steel, that is alloy. It is not pure metal. It is a mixture of metal and other things. Next one is German silver. Brass, bronze. These are, what are they? I'll check there. They are brass, bronze, stainless steel, German silver. They are, what are they? Alloys. Here are the objects which are made up of metals. Yes or no? In our kitchen also there are various things. Now children, we are going to discuss about some properties of metals. The chart shows here different properties of metals. How many properties are given here? First one is, what is this? Conductivity. What is conductivity? Ability to transfer heat and electricity from one place to another. Metals are good conductors. They allow heat and electricity to pass through them. Right? Second one. What is second one? Ductility. What do you mean by ductility? It is the property by which they can be converted into wires. Can we change? Can we get wires, metallic wires or not? wires. Okay, they can conduct heat and electricity. They can be turned into wires. Malleability. What does it mean? We can heat them, heat them and change into sheets, flat sheets. Metallic plates are also there. Those metallic items like plates, bowl or tumbler, are they in the form of sheet or not? That is malleability. What is the next one? Luster. What is the metallic luster? They are shiny. Metals are shiny. They can reflect sunlight. Yes or no? So we can make them quite attractive also. Next one. What is next? Hardness and brittleness. Metals are hard or soft? They are hard. Except mercury. Mercury is found in the form of liquid. It is soft. Yes or no? Because most of the metals they are found in solid state. They are hard. Do they break? Do the metals break? Metal items, when you drop, do they break? They are not brittle. If they are able to break, that is brittleness, right? But metals they do not break. You can try. Take one gas tumbler and just drop some certain item down. Metal. Actually, I don't have here. Otherwise, you could try. Their glass is there at home or not? Or kachora or thal, you drop. Does it break? It means they are non-brittle. Brittle, they break into pieces. Non-brittle cannot. What is the next one? Sonorous sound. So very pleasant sound is produced from them. Just hit the metal one, ting, sound comes or not? Bell. The bell is made up of alloy and it gives more better sound also. And singing bowl is also there. It also gives such type of sound. Means sonorous sound. Lovely, pleasant sound is produced by metals. And what is the last one? High melting point and boiling point. What is my melting point? Melting point and boiling point. Do you know what is melting point and what is boiling point? Melting point means temperature. Temperature at which solid changes into liquid. And boiling point, temperature at which liquid changes into gas. So metals, do they change into liquid form at low temperature or high temperature? What do you think? High temperature. At 100 degrees centigrade, 200 degrees centigrade, do they change into liquid? 800, 1000, 1200, 1500 degrees centigrade required. That means they need high temperature to change into liquid and gas. That's why their melting point and boiling point is high. Means what can we say there? Boiling point and melting point is high. Full metals. So what are the different properties of metals? Once again, let's recap. They are good conductor. They can be changed into wires. We can heat them and change into sheet, SHEET. They are shiny. They can reflect sunlight. They are hard. Do not break easily. They produce sonorous sound, lovely sound, and their melting point and boiling point is high. These are the characteristics. Okay? Now children, what to do? Read up to here and then prepare your lovely note. Understood? Start now.